Unlock incredible savings on your next tech haul by mastering how to apply promo codes directly in the Best Buy app. First, open your Best Buy app and find the item you want to purchase. Tap on the product to view its details. Once you've decided, tap the Add to Cart button to move the item to your shopping bag. Now, look for the shopping cart icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, scroll down until you see a field labeled promo code or apply a coupon. It's usually located above the order summary. Here's where the magic happens. Carefully type or paste your valid Best Buy promo code into this box. Ensure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. After entering your code, tap the Apply button, which is often located right next to the promo code field. You'll immediately see the discount reflected in your order total, showing your new lower price. If the code is invalid or expired, you'll receive a notification. Once you confirm the discount, you can proceed with your payment information and finalize your purchase, enjoying your savings.